Creating AI videos usually means writing a story, designing characters, creating scene images, writing prompts, and somehow keeping everything consistent. It's a slow and frustrating process, but what if one tool could generate your entire storyboard, characters, scene images, and even the video prompts for you? Let me show you how I created this complete AI commercial in just a few minutes using Director AI. Let's jump right in. Go to directorai.space, log in and open the storyboard feature. Director AI helps you create complete storyboards from just a simple story. Whether you're making AI ads, cinematic films, short dramas, or social media videos, it generates everything you need. Let's create one together. Click New Storyboard Project. I'll give this project the title Perfume Ad. Since we're creating a short AI commercial for this tutorial, I'll use the same text as my concept idea and click Create Project. Here, you can choose the visual style for your storyboard. You can create realistic, cinematic, anime, 3D animation, or many other styles. Since I'm creating a perfume advertisement, I'll select realistic. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and click Continue to Story. If you don't already have a story, simply click AI Generate from Concept and Director AI will automatically write one based on your project title and concept. I already have my story prepared, so I'll paste it here. Once your story is ready, click Approve and continue to casting. Now, click Extract Characters and Locations. Director AI analyzes your story and automatically identifies all the characters and locations you'll need. As you can see, it found one main character and 3 different locations for this advertisement. Before generating images, here's a useful tip. Click the settings icon. By default, Ultra Mode is selected, which costs 5 credits per image. If you want a much cheaper option, switch to Light Mode, which only costs 2 credits per image, while still producing great results. Now let's generate our character. I'll do the same for all the locations. Director AI handles all the prompt engineering and image generation automatically. And there we go. Our character and location images are ready and they look fantastic. Now click Approve Cast and Continue. Next, click Generate Scene Layout. Director AI automatically determines how many scenes your story needs. If your story requires 5 scenes, it'll generate 5. If it needs 10 scenes, it'll generate 10. Since this is a very short advertisement, it created 3 scenes. Now click Generate to create all the storyboard images. These look amazing. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the quality. Let's continue to the export section. This is where Director AI becomes even more useful.
You're the question, you're the answer.
Along with every storyboard image, it also generates detailed video prompts that you can use with AI video models. You can download each scene individually or simply click Download All to save every storyboard image and character reference at once. Now it's time to turn these storyboard images into actual videos. For this tutorial, I'll use Google Flow, create a new project and upload all the storyboard images we downloaded from Director AI. Go back to Director AI and copy the video prompt for Scene 1. In Google Flow, add the Scene 1 image along with the character reference image. We're including the character reference, so the AI keeps the same character throughout the video. Paste the video prompt, select your preferred video model and orientation, then generate the video. And here's the result. It looks great. We'll repeat the exact same process for Scene 2. Copy the second prompt,
Bring me in
Upload the second storyboard image along with the character reference.
like letting go.
Paste the prompt and generate the video.
You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel.
Our second clip is ready as well.
Gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down.
Finally, let's create the last scene. Since this scene doesn't contain the main character, we only need to upload the Scene 3 storyboard image. Paste the final prompt and generate the video. Perfect. Now all 3 video clips are ready.
Say it louder, say it louder.
After stitching them together, here's the final AI commercial. And that's how easy it is to create AI videos with Director AI. Just provide a simple story and Director AI generates your characters, locations, storyboard scenes, and ready-to-use video prompts all in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.